Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Guess where I'm going right now? Man, y'all can tell by these fast cars, Challengers, Chargers, Red Eye, Hemis, Scat Packs, all that good stuff. Look at that beauty there, guys. Man, they all over the place, man. Look at that beauty there. That's that Daytona. Oh, that's sweet. Guys, oh my goodness, look at that one right there. Alright, I'm about to be nosing. Let me tour the lot real fast. They got the gate gated off. Okay, yeah, they got a couple on the. Look at that monster there. Look at that beauty. Oh, that's their race car right there. I don't know what. Oh, look at this Charger right here, guys. From New York. That is a beauty. I don't know if they're doing body work to that or not, but guys, if you haven't figured it out, I'm at the one and only Allpar Garage, okay? Yes, y'all know every now and then I have to pay my buddies a visit, see what's going on, what they up to, all that good stuff. So what I tend to do is just that, do a drive-by. Now I'm not just popping up, they actually expecting me. Look at that. God, that is sweet. Y'all see that? Look at this lime green SRT here. Oh my goodness. Okay. So it looks like they busy, but it doesn't matter. I'm pulling right up in the gate part. Authorized personnel only. What does that makes me and my PT? We're gonna find out, guys. So let's see what's going on out here at the one and only Allpar. So guys, as you can see, I'm at the Allpar Garage, right? Man, y'all see all these beauties back there. Look at that red one over there. Oh, they all over the place, man. We got some across the street. That look like a Charger. I'm sure y'all can figure out what those are, but I'm about to go inside and see if I can do a quick live stream, okay? So I hope you guys tune in. Stay tuned. I don't know what they doing. He tuning something up over here. Should I just go on in, guys? I'm gonna help myself. Oh man, that's a nice one. Look at this joker here. Y'all see that? Golly. What in the world? That's what these look like when they open up. That's really what's going on inside of here. That's really what's going on inside of here when they open up. That's why I was wondering why you didn't take that other one I had. Oh. Oh, do you think that's what's wrong with that one? Man, guys. I have no idea what's going on inside of here. I'm sure I can find out from my man here. I don't know what he got cooking over here. Let's go be nosy, y'all. Holy crap, man. No more cold air intake?
All the air intake.
All air intake? It don't matter if it's cold or not?
Give it the air.
Well, what advantage does that do? So obviously cold air ain't all it's cracked up to be, is it?
No restriction.
Well, you can do that, just leave the air.
Just here, grab the air from right here. Right where the scoop is at.
I can never begin to understand all this. What the hell you doing? Why, splashing in something? Good Lord. Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot that thing, man.
What?
On the wheels.
Oh.
No, not your pod. I'm talking about. You still need it, right? Yeah. I ain't got no room in my truck. My truck full of scrap metal. I'm gonna be nosy, guys. All right, guys. I can't explain nothing, so I'm not gonna try. I'm just let y'all get a view. But I have no idea. All I know is the intake is off, the top end is off. Now he did say once they lock up, they ain't no more good. So, but the fact, what door Hemi at? The fact that oil control valve. The fact that I threw one away had Dark Hemi a little bit out of shape. So Dark. Man. What's on the dyno? Is this a Ram 1500? Oh boy. Man, how much power they're trying to get out of the Ram? I told him to call me the next time they're doing a dyno reading so I can come and film it. Y'all know me, I like footage. Okay, and an explanation on why you're doing what it is that you're doing. But from time to time, that don't happen. Okay, is that PT right there? They won't even allow me to bring that in the shop. So I don't know why. But hold tight, guys. We're gonna set up, try to do a live stream. All right. I know this wasn't planned, but hold tight. All right, guys. Like I said, I'm at Allpar Garage. I just want to get a peek of what's going on. I have no idea why they got this out, but as you can see, they got everything securely hanging, and they finna do some work on this engine. What? I don't know, but what we got going on over here? This is a beauty here. This is a nice car. I have no idea. They won't tell me exactly what's going on now. So guys, the blue tape package they use is just like to keep it from getting dirty, guys. That's all they're using it for. So it's no big deal. Instead of shop rags and everything, they just use it to keep from getting, you know, they can lean over it and work. All right. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with this guy. Don't start me lying. All right, but I do know it is a lot of high performance issue going on, guys. If y'all have any kind of high performance issues, y'all know who to call, man. It's like that. We got the new AC machine over there. So most of the newer stuff, 2410 and up, has the R1234YA. Look, are we upgrading cams or are these cams we taking out? Who knows? It's cams everywhere, guys. Stock cams, high performance cams. That's what I say about these cams, guys. They never really wear out. They get damaged by this load right here. They get damaged by a lifter coming apart and just scrubbing and scratching into it. From there, it's considered damage, not necessarily worn out. There's no pressed on tone wheel like a Pentastar engine, so there's no need to worry about that. So if you're replacing the cam and you're not upgrading, you merely simply just replacing a damaged cam, and it's likely damaged from a rock arm. All right, I have to put that out there for some people that think, well, I have to replace my camshaft. You don't. You just shoot it because yours was damaged. So I'm gonna load up, guys, and get out of here. I had enough fun for the day. Hold tight.